Howdy guys, Matt McGregor here from AlphanumetriX. AlphanumetriX has made a new update to its code, and so I'm going to run you through those little changes that have been made there right now. As always, when an update's been made, you can either refresh the page just by doing this here, or you can go close the indicator off and then go into indicators here, invite only scripts, and re-add the indicator on if you want to be sure. But let me run through what we've done here. So as you know, the AlphanumetriX utilizes the bullish and bearish signals here with the EMA, the exponential moving averages, okay? We go back in time, you can see quite clearly. That's the foundation of the Consensio system and the AlphanumetriX system. Now, a question I get asked really regularly is, why do I use exponential moving averages and not simple moving averages? Now, that's just my personal preference. I believe the exponential moving averages are more dynamic, especially with Bitcoin and low cap coins, because they just react in a more progressive way than the simple moving averages do from my own back testing. But with traditional stocks especially, people really love simple moving averages, and until now you were forced to use the exponential moving averages on AlphanumetriX because that's what I like. But with a simple change made to the indicator here, if you come into settings and you scroll down, you will now see in the in this input section right here, you can switch seamlessly between simple moving averages and exponential moving averages. You still have the right here to change it whatever average, a moving average that you like. So I like the 7, 30, 50, and 200. But you can now use simple moving averages, and let's say you like the 2, 14 and 30, whatever you prefer, it'll instantly update those to the way that you like it. You can tailor AlphanumetriX to use any single moving average that you like all the way through, and you now have the ability to use simple moving averages or exponential moving averages. This is a huge upgrade to the system. Although it's quite subtle, it's just another way that AlphanumetriX is trying to listen to its customers and tailor the perfect indicator for you to then go through and do it. Everything else is the same. In the style settings, you can choose all the colors, what you want, whether they're simple moving averages or exponential moving averages. It's all exactly the same there. It's just a very small difference here that actually goes a really long way to tailoring the indicator the way that you want to use it. Remember, I don't try and say that the standard settings are the settings that have to be used. The default settings are not locked in place. It's for you. This AlphanumetriX is not about locking in exactly what I believe, Matt McGregor, as the correct lengths of their EMAs or SMAs. It's about you having the tools to be able to tune it the way you want to use it. And this is just another step in that process. So once again, thank you for always supporting AlphanumetriX, and we can't wait to hear if you like these changes, and if you have any other great ideas for changes to improve the indicator. I'm always interested in that feedback. Thank you again. Matt McGregor signing off.